Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to season 3 of Come Iftar With Me. I'm Maaria and today we're going to be making Turkish red lentil soup along with a healthy salad. So to get started, first I've soaked the red lentils already. Do this for about an hour before you actually make your recipe. So for the soup, I've taken 200 grams of red lentils and I've soaked them. I then washed them and drained the water. Then over here we have everything for the soup. So we need some garlic, onion, potato. You're going to cook the soup in butter, not in oil. It just gives it a nicer flavor. Then some carrots. Alongside that, we're going to be serving some bread. And then everything over here is for the pasta salad. So for the pasta salad, I've already pre-boiled some pasta. That's because for the pasta salad, you want cold pasta, not freshly boiled. Alongside that, we have some leaves with some beetroot, some bell pepper, peanuts and almonds, feta cheese, and then for the seasoning, fresh parsley, salt, pepper, and a lot of olive oil and some lemon juice as well. So to get started, in my stock pot over here, I'm just going to heat it up and then we're going to add in our butter and garlic. Okay, so you want around 2 knobs of butter. And we're going to allow that to melt and add in the garlic and then followed by the onions. So once the butter's melted, we're going to add in 2 cloves of garlic. And you can just go straight ahead and add in your white onions. Everything's been finely chopped. It just speeds up the process. Once you add in the water and you allow it to cook, it will cook quicker and it will just save you time as well. So we're just going to go ahead and saute that for around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, once that's slightly sauteed, you're going to go ahead and add in both your potatoes and your carrots. And then again, we're going to saute that for around 5 minutes now. You want to do this on quite a high heat. At the same time, we can add in some cumin. I like to add in cumin, it just gives it a really nice flavor. And a little bit of red pepper flakes as well. Okay, so once you sauteed that for around 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our lentils along with our water and stock cube. Just give that a stir and then add in your water. You should add in enough water so that all your veg is covered. So to this, I'm going to add 1 stock cube. If you have fresh stock at home, that would be also really good to use. Sometimes I have it stored in my freezer, so I go ahead and use that. It can be like chicken stock or lamb stock. But right now, I'm just going to be using this veg stock cube. Into this, I'm also going to add a bit of salt. Not too much. You can also always add more later if you feel like you need it. And then we're just going to bring that to boil, and then we're going to put that on simmer, and this should take around 15 minutes to cook through. So I just added everything into the bowl, and now we're just going to toss it together. And then I'm just going to transfer it into another bowl and then top with more almonds and peanuts. So once that's all nice and smooth, you can go ahead and taste test it, see if you need any more salt added, any more red pepper flakes. So now I'm just gonna garnish it with some red pepper flakes and some fresh parsley as well. You can add a couple of fresh slices of lemon on the side if you wanted to. And that's ready to eat. You can eat that with your pasta salad, serve it with some fresh bread as well. This is a really good hearty meal. It's a great way to break iftar. Once you've broken your iftar, you want to make sure that you're really filling yourself with good nutritious food, and this is a perfect meal for that.